Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the radio on your POCO M3 phone. It's hidden in Tools folder. Here it is, FM radio, but it won't work without headphones because it's our antenna. So we need to plug in your normal headphones and turn on the radio again, and it's now working. That's very easy. We can turn it when we close the window. Radio is active, so when we want to turn it off, we need to use this little button here. That's all. Thank you. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.